Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to clear this up because some people were still confused. Let me take my headset off here. You can still withdraw your money out of NiceHash to Coinbase, but you have to do it on the Bitcoin blockchain. So what I mean by that is, let's come over here. Right, bam. Okay. So when you go to hit withdraw, you'll see the screen right here, Bitcoin wallet, and then you click the drop down menu. Normally you would click Coinbase. So that sends a boom, instant transaction over to Coinbase through their API system. They have something worked out, some kind of agreement, or they did, and it would show up over there in minutes. It didn't have to actually travel on the blockchain, at least not initially. It could do it at a lower fee at a later time. I don't know how they had that worked out. But you can click on add a new withdrawal address right here. So that is a regular Bitcoin address. To get one of those, all you do is go to your Coinbase, and up in the top right hand corner, it'll say send/receive. You click on that, you click on receive, then you click on Bitcoin, and it'll give you a receive address. That's what you put into this new withdrawal address. So that is how you actually can get payments to Coinbase. And people were asking me, well, if you can still get payments to Coinbase, why are you leaving NiceHash? Well, the profitability has been down on NiceHash compared to direct mining, anywhere from 5 to 10% for months now. But the big advantage was I was able to get instant, no fee transfers like every night. So doing this would introduce fees into every transaction. Obviously, sending Bitcoin across the blockchain can get very expensive at certain times. Just yesterday, I had a friend that sent $80 over from NiceHash. He just wanted to get his money out of there. And to send it through the blockchain cost him $3 on an $80 transaction. That is huge. Then you still have to potentially sell your Bitcoin into US dollars and then send your US dollars to a bank. So yeah, a lot of fees there. Whereas sending it the old method through the regular Coinbase API system was no fees and instant. So that's the main reason why I've left and I've gone over to direct mining. And another thing I wanted to clear up is that Ethermine is actually paying out every 7 days if you hit point what was it, 0.001. Hold on, let's see here. Support. We'll look it up live. Hope everybody's having a great day, by the way. So pay out. Oh my gosh, of course. Every time I try to do a video, my phone hasn't gone off for hours, and then it just decides to go like haywire the whole time. I do apologize. Okay, so Ethermine payout policies. I didn't read this all the way earlier, so I was concerned that potentially smaller miners wouldn't get their payouts for a long time. Don't be concerned about that. So unpaid balances above 0.05 ETH will be paid out every 7 days automatically, and unpaid balances above 0.01 ETH will be paid out every second week automatically. So right now, what is Ethereum? Let's go to coin market cap. Ethereum's down. It's at 3,500 bucks. So we'll get out our trusty calculator, and 3,500 times 0.05 would be 5%, right? So 175 day 100. If you make $175 in a week, it will get paid out. So divide that by 7. So if you're doing $25 a day, you'll get a payout every 7 days, and then 3,500 times 0.01. If you're doing $35 in 2 weeks, which is a minimum of $2.50 a day, probably what your average 1 or 2 card miner is doing, you'll get a payout every other week, so or every second week, automatically independent of your threshold. So yeah, that's pretty cool. You don't have to hit that 0.1 to get that. But if you do, you can get your payouts more often. So, yeah. Just wanted to clear that up. Don't want to hold up any more of your guys' time. Hopefully I have concrete coming tomorrow. I just did some more work in the backyard, smoothing everything out, making it so the concrete truck can come in, turn around. I widened my driveway so that the concrete truck's going to be driving across a dirt driveway and not my actual concrete driveway, hopefully to save him from cracking my driveway. But other than that, I'm peacing out. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.